First you go this video below description and click the WinRAR file and download it.
And you open your download WinRAR file. Now you can see few folders. You click setup file and download it. After you can see this interface. Now you select your language. For example, if you are a Chinese person, you can choose Chinese language, and other people can choose your language. But Adobe company help us given us the English language that everyone can use. Then after you can select you download file location, and click continue button and you can see it auto download.
Now you can edit any video using this platform, like a pro. This platform is a very useful platform for video editors.
Thank you.